Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share some hairstyles for curly hair girls. So before doing any hairstyle, as my hair is curly, I use this Matrix Biolat Smooth Proof 6-in-1 Deep Smoothing Serum. So for the first hairstyle, I have taken a right side partition. So from the left side, I have taken some hair and I'm going to twist it back and secure this with a bobby pin. So this is the easiest hairstyle I do when I'm in a hurry. And that's it, your first hairstyle is ready. This is the extended version of the first hairstyle. So I'm just going to take some hair from the front and just going to twist it back. Just keep it loose and then secure it with a bobby pin. And ta-da! The second hairstyle is ready. Now for the third hairstyle, I'm going to take some hair from the front. Now with that small amount of hair, I'm going to make a small bun. So whenever I do this hairstyle, my husband always calls me Shiv Shambho. That's my third hairstyle. Now for the fourth hairstyle, I'm just taking the front section of my hair and then pulling it back. Then I'm going to take some hair in the front and leave it to give a definition to my face. Then secure the hair which is left back with a clutch. And you're ready. Now for the fifth hairstyle, I'm going to take the front section as I did it for the previous hairstyle. With this, I'm going to add a little bit of hair from behind just to add the volume. Then with the help of a band, I'm going to make a high ponytail. You can also pull some hair in the front just to define your face. And yes, you're done with this hairstyle. From all of these hairstyles, this is my favorite one. So I'm making a high bun. So for this hairstyle, I have taken all of the hair, leaving some in the front. And now I'm doing a high bun. So with the leftover hair, I'm going to make a braid. This is how the braid looks. Now that my braid is ready, I'm going to wrap it around the bun and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Pull out some hair if you wish. And that's it, you're good to go. So this hairstyle is an extended version of the previous one. So I've just taken back the hair from the front and pulling out some small amount of hair from behind my ears. And yes, you're done with this too. So this is the last hairstyle that I'm showing in this video. So if you remember the braid that I did for the previous hairstyle, so I'm taking that braid and securing it to the other side like a hairband. And yes, the last hairstyle is ready. You can see how pretty it looks. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon. And until next time.